Hey guys, Sam Robinson here. As part of the Vid Invision team, I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough to show you what the Vid Invision app, the actual software, can do. So as you can see here, we're on the beautiful landing page where you even just log in. It already looks stunning. So we're going to click login and you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now this is the hub where you can do everything, where you can start creating campaigns, and bear in mind you're looking at this just how a customer would see it. So this is not as you would get with the white label version where you could add people. This is just the same as what your customers are going to see with Vid Invision. So I'm going to start off by just clicking on create new campaign. Now how did this come about? It actually came about when the team sat down and had a look, and we thought it's really cool the way people present stuff within, mock-ups, as you can see here with the MacBook and things like that. You see that sort of stuff and you think, how do they do it? Well, they do it with Vid Invision now. So I'm going to show you a quick example of my bonus page here for a promotion I did a little while, Instamate. Now I did a video and I just put it within the standard YouTube player on my bonus page. Now it's just a standard looking player. It's got the YouTube features and stuff like that, but there could be more to be done to make it look awesome, especially for a product that's promoting an Instagram based product. It would be awesome to put this within a tablet or an iPhone or something like that where everyone uses Instagram, right? So we're going to do just that today. So I'm going to get started right here. So you start off, you name your campaign. We'll call this the Instamate one. And you can choose from a YouTube video or the Vimeo video. So for this example, I'm going to use YouTube, and I'm going to copy this video URL. So I'm just going to use this video here that I hosted on YouTube. So I'm going to click YouTube and I'm just going to paste it in there. Now all you need is the actual code of the actual video itself. You don't need the entire YouTube part of things. So just from the letters forward, and you can choose to show their player controls or not, and have it autoplay or not. So I'm not going to click either of those, and I'll tell you why in a second. And that's because you can actually add a thumbnail to your video. So you can choose either one of the many that they've uploaded here. There's only a few in my demo version, but there's more coming, I can assure you. Or you can add your own. So you choose your file, and in this case, I'm going to do that. I'm actually going to take a little screenshot from my video as the placeholder. So I'm going to quickly click screenshot, and I'm going to put that in as my placeholder. So I'm going to choose this file. I'm going to upload this screenshot off my desktop. Perfect. So now that's done, that will upload when we generate the thing. Now you can choose between having a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, the new gold MacBooks, iPhone, iPad, which is exactly what I was talking about, Apple Watches or smart watches, and also plasma screen TVs. We also have a number of Samsung style Android phones, and also a SLR camera as well for some of the more creative sort of stuff. All of these are presented beautifully in high definition surroundings, and it's super simple with this. You just click which one you want. So as I mentioned before, I'm after the iPad. Now you can choose a number of play icons. You can choose different colors, different styles. And what we are going to choose today is I'm going to choose a purple icon. Let's just go with purple, and you can choose the dimensions you want your player to be. It can be 600 by it can fit in whatever dimensions you need it to. So we're going to do it 600 by 600 just for today's demo, and we're going to click on it to position in the center. You can have it for left or right, and this helps with the code. Now a really cool feature is the ability to be able to do calls to action. So to be able to add this in, here's one I pre-filled out just to save a little bit of time. I've changed the headline to buy here today, the button text to can say buy today, and you can change the color of the headline text just by dragging and dropping the color wheel on the right there, and the color of the button you can change to be whatever you want it to be as well. So we're gonna choose blue, and so there's a whole bunch of customization sort of stuff. Now the redirect URL, I'm actually going to make it my affiliate link for Instamate so we can see it in action right there on the Instamate page now. So I'm just going to quickly click save. As you can see in the corner, it's uploading my thumbnail, and it's all good to go. So I'm going to click on the home page, and I'm going to click generate HTML. There's a WordPress code option as well for bloggers. If they have WordPress, we've got a WordPress plugin that they can plug in, and all they need to do is just paste the WordPress code in. I'm going to show you a demo in Optimize Press, so I'm actually going to drag the script. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to edit this page and show you the difference between just a standard video player and an eye-catching, lovely surrounded one done through Vid Invision. So I'm going to go HTML. As you can see, I'm using an optimized press for this. I'm going to paste that in, click insert that, and there we go. We are in the iPad on my page. I'm just going to click save, and let's check it out for real. So here we go. We're in an iPad, just as I imagined, and I'm going to click play, and the demo is going to start playing. Now, because we put that call to action in, there should be a call to action display after 15 seconds like we had put in the settings. There it is. So if I click the buy button today, it should take us through to their sales page. Perfect. So that's showing you the call to action in action as well. Now let's take a quick look at some of the other features. Now with Vid Invision, you can add a banner. So if you have a long style banner, you can put that in at the bottom of the video and have it redirect to a URL. So in this case, we're probably going to want to have something similar to this Instamate one. So I'm just going to quickly screenshot that as our banner. Now I'm just going to quickly put that in. And I'm going to have that redirect to the sales page as well. However, we're going to let this one have a 5-second delay. I'm going to click save, and let's check it out in action now. So let's hit play, and let's see that banner show up. Should come up after a couple of seconds. So there's our banner there. If I click it, it should take us to the sales page. Perfect, just as we imagined. So let's take a look at a couple of the other features. One is lead generation. Now I've been playing around with this form here. You can actually choose the file that you want on the left, so the image. So I've just chosen an image from me doing the video. You can actually edit the text by just grabbing it and just typing over the top of it. So I just write hello there, join the mailing list today, and you can also change the buy button text as well to say sign up now or whatever you want it to. It integrates with Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp, and you simply just paste your form ID in there. Now the redirect URL, if you want it to redirect off somewhere afterwards, you can paste that as well, so it can send them to a landing page or whatever you want. So it's a really simple way to put leads over the top of your video. Now another cool thing is being able to put the buy buttons in. Now this is all pretty much the same as what I just showed you with the call to actions. So you can upload your own buy button or choose one of the many we already have. So you can choose, get instant access, download, buy now, for example, and click close. And then you just literally put the URL in that you want it to go to. So in this case, it would be the affiliate link to Instamate. I'll just put that in and put the delay in when I wanted it to show up, and it will show up after a certain amount of time on the video. So I'm sure that gives you a really good idea of how easy it is to do this. I would go in depth with it all, but I don't want to leave you sitting at your computer for 30 minutes. So this is Sam Robinson. I hope you've had a good look through Invision. This is a reminder, this is the software that your customers are going to get and that you're going to be able to sell to your customers. And then as someone who purchased the Vid Invision Enterprise version, you're going to be able to sell these accounts to customers as well. So hopefully this has been a good insight of Vid Invision app.